If you remember from last week about RJP, realistic job preview, when we have situational approach interview, behavioral approach interview, job-related or stress types of questions, as well as puzzle interviews, we actually need to have in mind the content of the interview suiting the approach. So, for example, you all aware about the trade war, Trump, ya? Trump ini ialah the second season punya American President. He made a comeback, ya. Dia pernah jadi presiden dan dia jadi semula presiden US. And then I think some of you know that Trump is a pure businessman. There was a show in TV, Apprentice. And then you all aware if you read the news, ya, Trump punya advisor ni bukan calang-calang tau. Even Elon Musk, even Harvard professor, dia punya advisor. But why in the world Trump did unpopular decision? Kenapa tiba-tiba by logic kan Trump yang mana akibat daripada tarif itu barangan Amerika keluar negara, tariffs also being imposed by other countries. For example, saya suka tengoklah kalau krisis ekonomi ini US dengan China adalah very simple because both are powers in economies. To the extent that China, kalau dia tidak mau ekspor produk dia punya economic cycle still rolling because dorang punya consumer lebih ramai compared to US, for example, or other countries. Tapi kenapa Trump buat pendekatan begitu? Anybody want to say?
Doctor, I would like to share. My sharing is based on doktor punya explanation tadi. Pasal harga barang daripada China yang terlampau murah sampaikan the number of goods sold in America is mostly the goods from China, and that resulting the goods produced by American is not having a good sales. Jadi by imposing, I think in my opinion, by imposing a high, I think China paling tinggi kan tarif 145%.
Okay, betul.
145%, and other countries macam 2 figures percent. 20% below, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. Tapi China yang saya tahu memang paling tinggi lah. And 45%, that is clearly showing that US is no longer interested in getting the goods from China, getting inside the country and to kasih promote the sales of their own punya product, domestic product. I think so.
Okay, very good input from Agustus. Yang lain ada mau kongsi? Okay.
Doctor, I think the US Treasury bond is maturing soon. That's why he needs money to pay back the debt.
Okay, Marvin, ya?
Yeah.
Okay, marvelous. You got my point. Seriously, that is the reason why. Yeah, because they have huge deficit. So sometimes people use unpopular decisions. Thank you, Marvin. Even though Marvin explained very simple one, but I believe that we are sharing the same reason lah. Actually, this is not the real reason. This is only my expectation, similar with Marvin. Actually, American, they are spending a lot of money already through their investment internationally. So in order for them to gain back, they have to produce something yang menyebabkan attention goes to US. Bila Trump declare this strategy, kan, all the world look at US negatively. Tapi in order to produce something magnificent, you have to create crisis. Itulah sebabnya kenapa Trump buat tindakan begitu. This is my opinion, my best opinion. And what is the reason behind? From zero, you become hero. From billion, become a hero. So actually, Trump is clever. Yeah, and who knows? Yeah, who knows? A lot of things could happen. Yeah, this is part of strategies. Yang strategies yang dia ada sebab behind it. Unless you are not like Trump, no business mindset, no political strength, and then you do something for nothing. Tapi knowing this president kan, mustahil dia buat sesuatu yang begitu kalau bahasa pasar tu gila-gila. Yeah, there is reason behind. So goes back to our discussion for today. In the interview, we have to use the current issues in order for us to get candidate or the employees who are, update with current issues. When we hire people, we want people for 10, 20, 30 years in the future. So situational approach, behavioral approach, job-related approach is for us to include in the content of the interviews such expectation so that we recruiting people with moving forward attitude. There are issues as well in the state or at federal level in Malaysia kan yang banyak lah yang mana kita boleh gunakan sebagai contoh untuk situational approach interview. We fit in the content, behavioral and so on. Okay.